Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good weekend. This is a video about the pronunciation exercise. First I want to talk about some of the words that we use. The first word is syllable, which is any one of the parts into which a word is naturally divided when it's pronounced. For example, the word doctor has two syllables, doc-tor. Syllable stress, the greater loudness or force given to the syllable of a word. So, for example, is it doctor or is it doctor? It's the first one, and that means the stress is on the first syllable, or sometimes we call it syllable stress, sometimes we just call it stress. The next is a suffix. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters that is added to the end of a word to change its meaning. And I think we have some examples here. Yes, we do. We have romance. We put an IC on the end, we get romantic. We have possible. We put an ITY on the end, we get possibility. Educate, put a shun on the end, we get education. I'm sure you've seen all this before, but what I want you to pay attention to is this rule, and remember it because you're going to need it later. This is the pronunciation syllable stress before suffixes. Let's read this together. When suffixes IC, ITY, and TION are added to words, the syllable stress changes. The primary stress is on the syllable before the suffix. So if you notice here, we've got these, we've actually got 6 words here. I'm going to play this so you can hear, this guy has really good pronunciation, and you can hear the syllable stress changing.
Romance, romantic.
Possible, possibility.
Educate, education.
Okay, did you hear that? Let's go on. This is about the workbook exercises. And what you'll do is you'll listen to the pairs of words for the first exercise, and you just click this little triangle here, and it will play somebody saying the words. And you can click on the syllable and highlight the stressed syllable in each word. And of course, at the end, just click submit, and it will tell you your grade. The second exercise is a little more confusing, but we've done one like this before that was very similar. So the first thing you want to do is click listen, and then you'll hear the short conversations. Then when you're ready, click record. You know what? I've got written here, you say part A, but you don't. You actually say part B. I've made a mistake on this. So for example, A says, how would climate change affect animals? And you must say, some animals will face extinction. And I want you to pronounce that word extinction with the stress in the right place. And then go on and just do the rest of the exercise. The last thing you're going to do, the second from last thing you're going to do. Remember, I told you to remember that rule. Here's the question. What is the rule for syllable stress before suffixes? You need to write your answer right there and click submit. And last of all, I want you to go to Flipgrid. I want you to read all of these 15 words correctly and clearly so I can understand you, and have the syllable stress in the right place. And that's it.